Hello, my name is Eric Doherty. I'm the president and CEO of Rincara Bio, bringing to market PlasmaPulse, which is a non-invasive skin healing treatment device that can be used in a number of different disease areas. Really what we're finding in the marketplace is that wounds are very, very hard to treat, obviously viral lesions as well. Non-healing lesions and pain and the recurrence is unfortunately a very prevalent issue in the marketplace. In chronic wounds, about 6.5 million people in the US alone are burdened with this, and obviously the cost is huge, about $26 to $96 billion per year. With herpes virus, about 1 in 8 adults, about 40 million folks across the country are affected, and about nearly 500 million globally. And then even when it comes to other viral lesions like HPV, measles, mpox, etc., what we're looking at is bringing to market a product that can actually solve a lot of the ongoing issues that are happening today. PlasmaPulse is basically a handheld, non-invasive skin healing device. It's backed by Princeton Plasma Physics Lab Research, which is a phenomenal group, and we'll go into that in a second. And it reduces bacterial and viral loads of cutaneous lesions in minutes. Benefits is obviously that rapid result in office treatment. It also targets non-invasive healing, which impacts diseases. And basically it is a very much a mist-like treatment, so very, very non-invasive to a patient. Just some background for you. Princeton Plasma Physics Laboratory is a group that's based out of Princeton, New Jersey. They've been around for nearly 70 years. And basically within the partnership that we have with them in this development is a very unique device. It is very beneficial to patients and providers around the world. And it uses flexible dielectric barrier discharge technology. Yes, say that 15 times. But Flex DBD is going to be the new way of treating wounds and treating individuals who have a lot of these skin conditions. And it is hugely beneficial because it is very non-invasive. It generates charged particles and reactive oxygen species and selectively kills, this is the key, selectively kills infectious particles and spares normal tissue. In vitro data that we've already collected, E. coli, there's a 6-log reduction, which is phenomenal. And even in vitro HSV data, there's a 2.8 log reduction. So again, very, very well tolerated, but also very effective. Our target markets are dermatology practitioners, primary care practitioners, and even with pediatrics. I think there's a huge marketplace that we can actually bring to market our products in the pediatric realm. Right now, we're already pretty much set for profitability in that there are in-office billable treatment codes. You'll see the CPT codes there. And really, our growth drivers are that there's a high demand for non-pharmacological treatments and non-surgical treatments, which this obviously fits the bill. And really, there's emerging threats that are obviously always oncoming within the health space where, again, wound healing and others, this is a very, very practical and very positive product to bring to market. We've already submitted a couple of grants within the NIH, CDC, and FDA, and so you'll see these here. And our market size is huge. On the HSV side, about 2.5, which is the smallest market. But if you look at chronic wounds, about $12.3 billion as far as the market potential within our realm of treatment. So again, I think it is a very valuable tool and beneficial to bring to the market, and would love your backing for this project. Our milestones, as you can see in front of you, looking again to do some in vitro testing, then move into animal testing, and then obviously complete animal studies with FDA Novo submission. So we're looking to do that over the next couple of years. Again, the key from our product is that it's a very non-invasive device. We've already got some prototypes working on. Significant market opportunity, well over $35 billion. Competitive edge, will be the first to market to have this type of technology. And there's a clear development plan that we have within milestone 1, 2, and 3. Our team is already starting to be put together. We've got a couple of folks here in Georgia, myself included, but also Olivia and Santosh associated with both Georgia State and also Georgia Tech and Emory. And then Melinda in Cincinnati has obviously a great background in dermatology and also drug development, and has worked with this folks in St. Louis University Derm Group, as well as the WashU School of Medicine in Olin. So great opportunity for us to really start building this team.